welcome back to Unleash. It's me Isha.
And it's me Anshu.
So first of all, I would like to say that we hope that you are safe at home. Guys, a quick update. So as if you are keeping up with us, if you're keeping up with us, you will know that we started the 14-day skincare challenge, but we couldn't finish it because of academic pressure. It was very hard for us to continue that, but nevertheless we're back again, and this time we're here with a review.
So basically we ordered a lot of skincare from Plum, and from that actually we ordered from Nykaa. So we just wanted to share our honest and very true reviews with you all. And I would like to tell you that my skin is extremely oily, and her is normal to oily combined skin.
So guys, before we begin with the video, I would like to say that skincare is very subjective. तो कुछ अगर हमें सूट किया तो it might not suit you and vice versa. So we would suggest कि आप 2-3 लोगों की videos देखो and then you think about purchasing the product.
Yes, Plum as a brand is very natural and quite affordable for anyone. So guys, we do have our jewelry page. If you want to buy some jewelry, you can go to Instagram and search Zora Pearls Jewelry,
and we'll also link it in the description. So आप बस link पे click करो and you'll go to our it will just take you to our jewelry brand.
Yeah.
Store.
We have a wide range of jewelry, from silver jewelry to pure silver jewelry to ethnic wear. So you can check it out anytime.
So let's start. So guys, here are all the products that we had bought. So we're starting off with the Plum chamomile and white tea glow getter face mask. So I would say the mask fared really well on my skin, even for you, right?
Yes.
Yeah. So I would give the mask 4.5 out of 5 review, and I think you should definitely give this a go. And I have used it, I would say about 10 to 15 times, and I think that is enough for a person to decide if it is
judge it.
Yeah, right. I hope you can see I have used it up quite a lot, and the packaging wise it's really nice.
It smells very good.
Right, it smells very good. It smells very fresh. And also we will be listing all the products in the description box and along with the price.
So along with the mask, we got 2 pouches of green tea experience kit. I'm sorry, I'm very bad with the names. So in this kit we have alcohol free toner, then we have pore cleansing face wash, and the third thing is
A night gel.
yes, renewed clarity night gel.
Let's start with the face wash first, since that's the first thing in our routine.
So the face wash, this is pore cleansing face wash, which I really loved, and I would give it a go for you guys, because it really cleanses your skin and it feels really fresh for an oily skin person.
Yeah, and oily and sensitive. So if we are giving it a yes, then I think you should also give it a try.
So done with this one.
So basically this is a gel face wash, so which makes it very mild on the skin, and hence really apt for acne prone skin.
Now let's move on to this toner.
So honestly speaking, it was a big fail for me. I had a lot of high hopes from the toner because this is alcohol free and green tea, and since the face wash was really working on my skin and even the mask, so I was thinking that ये बहुत अच्छा करेगा, but on the contrary इससे मेरी skin literally break out, इतने बड़े बड़े दाने हुए मेरे को
मेरी नहीं, हमारी.
Yeah, we both suffered a lot. The toner I don't think हमारी skin को suit किया, but obviously
It did not. It was worse for my skin. उसका तो फिर भी उतना normal था. My skin actually got rashes.
yeah.
इतने सारे pimples, and I think the skin got a little bit burnt from इधर से. So I will not at all recommend this to anyone. So from us, it's a big no to use this one. Baki, aap dekhiye.
The last product from the green tea range is the Renewed Clarity Night Gel. So this is completely finished. मैंने पूरा यूज़ किया है इसको अच्छे से. And I think it was a good night gel, but मेरे को थोड़ा heavy लगा ये. And for an oily skin person, I think इसका कंसिस्टेंसी थोड़ी और लाइट होनी चाहिए थी. अदरवाइज ऐसा ब्रेकआउट प्रॉब्लम नहीं हुई, कुछ अच्छा नहीं हुआ था, कुछ बुरा भी नहीं हुआ. सो
अब इसमें ही आई वुड लाइक टू ऐड, जब मेरे को टोनर बिल्कुल भी सूट नहीं करा, सो आई स्टॉप यूजिंग ऑल ऑफ द प्रोडक्ट्स. और मैंने बहुत ही बेसिक से बेसिक जो मेरा रूटीन है, विच इज़ नथिंग बट नीविया हिमालयन,
लाइक बेसिक
वेरी बेसिक. आई स्टार्टेड डूइंग दैट ओनली बिकॉज मेरे को बहुत जल्दी रिएक्ट कर जाता है और बहुत ज़्यादा हो जाता है.
Yeah.
So I stopped immediately. I did not use the night gel.
But I did use, and I would say you should give this a go. It's a good night gel.
Yeah.
The last product from the review is Plum Grape Seed and Sea Buckthorn Glow Restore Face Oil Blend. Oh gosh, it's lovely. So basically, it's a facial oil, and I got this from my mom actually because हम दोनों की skin oily है, and obviously उनकी skin mature है, तो like she needs much more moisturizer for her, a lot more moisture for her. So this is how it looks.
So first of all, I would like to tell कि मेरी मम्मा की skin is very smooth, very
Yeah.
clear, and she does not have acne prone skin at all.
At
She
all.
did not have in her younger age.
She never had acne. She has the
हाँ.
best skin ever.
Yeah, literally the best skin. So after using this oil, her skin got textured. She literally had small bumps on her face,
Yes.
which she was not supposed to have actually. So guys, उनको ये सूट नहीं करा, but
But so I thought उनको सूट नहीं करा तो मैं ट्राई करती, बिकॉज मेरी स्किन है ऑयली बट लाइक उतनी भी नहीं है. सो व्हाट आई डिड वाज, एक रात को आई ट्राइड दिस. आई टुक 2 drops in my hand and I just pressed it on my skin. तो सुबह में उठी तो आई फेल्ट वेरी ऑयली. So I realized कि सीधा लगाना is not the right option. So what I did was I mixed it with my moisturizer. So I used Nivea cream with lactobellamine mixed. तो उस मिक्सचर में मैंने 2 drops ये ऑयल भी डाल दिया. So when I woke up, my skin was literally looking so clear and so like soft. So I think the way to use it is to use it with your moisturizer. Plain लगाना I think बहुत ज़्यादा oily हो जाएगा. Otherwise it's a good product. आप अपने moisturizer में use करके लगाओ, अच्छा है. So I think given the conditions कि ये किसी पे सूट कर रहा है, किसी पे नहीं, and कुछ conditions है यूज़ करने के, so I think the final verdict would be कि इसको सीधा लगाना is not the right thing. इसको mix करके लगाओ तो so it will give you the best results.
yeah, all you need to do is mix it with some product and then you are supposed to apply it.
And
Otherwise,
circumstances. True. So with that, I think we're done with all the products, and
and a mini review for you guys.
yeah. So let us know if you would like to see any more reviews in the future. We'd love to do that for you guys.
Only after quarantine, you guys.
Yeah, we're not ordering anything right now because it's not safe, and we also hope कि आप लोग भी घर पे हो और कुछ नहीं मंगवा रहे हो.
Yes, it is not safe to order, guys. Not at all safe.
Not only for us, जो हमें ला के देते हैं उनके लिए भी सेफ नहीं है. तो
Right,
हमें
right.
थोड़ा कंसिडरेट होना चाहिए for everyone.
So guys, let's talk about the packaging. I really love the packaging. I mean, बहुत अच्छी packaging करी थी. The pouches that they came in with all the 3 products, I loved it. And
For that matter, the mask and the face oil, all of these came really well packed, and along with that उसके अंदर there's a user manual kind of thing. I'll just show you. So basically it just has the ingredient list and how you can use it and what all are its uses basically. So this is it, and it's actually pretty useful I would say. And this came with all the Plum products individually.
yes. And just to let you know, guys, this jewelry is from Zura Pearls. Do not forget to check them out.
Sorry.
So to conclude, I would say Plum is a good brand. We loved it. It was just one product that did not suit us.
Yeah,
That was the toner. So that
Otherwise,
was not.
it's a great product. It's a great brand, and you can totally try this out. It's affordable. It's easily available. It's natural. Like, what else do you need, right? And also, guys, this video is not sponsored.
Not at all
Yes,
sponsored.
this is
right?
honest review from two oily girls.
So before wrapping up, do not forget to like, share, subscribe to our channel, and I hope you like our video.
And also, don't forget to follow us on our Instagram. My Instagram is 99_Isha.
And mine is Anshubi25, and I am very much active on Instagram. You can always ping me out there.
So am I. Okay, we'll see you next time.
Bye.